Hello everyone and welcome to my channel Options Trader Today. So today in this video I will explain you how the price of gold has moved in the last week and how the price of gold can move in the next week. See, if you look at the chart, I was continuously telling you that after the price goes above a level of $2047, chances was very high it can go and touch a level of $2080. You can check my previous video. I am telling you this since 1 year. Okay, and this is why I have told you this, because there is a pattern forming and this pattern was similar to this. Okay, and I have already suggested you that there is a buy situation when the price sustain above this level and can go towards the level of $2080. Why there is higher chances? Because if you look at this particular pattern, there are three patterns forming. Okay, and these patterns are from 2012 to 2020. This first pattern. After that, this particular pattern is from 22 to 2022. This particular same pattern, U pattern. After that, this is an 8-month pattern. Now, if you look at this particular pattern, there is a similarities that after making this particular fall, it makes a sharp upside, a cup pattern. It is called a cup pattern. Okay, and this same way we have seen this pattern is created. Okay, and this is the level 2070. This is the level which is already a weak resistance, so chances was very high if the price comes close to this level, and if it sustain above a level of 2047, it can, and a probability of going further upside is there. Okay, now if you look at this particular chart, chances are very high that it has already made that particular high and crossed that particular level, and from there it has come down to a level of 2015.94, and chances was very high, yes, after crossing a level of $2084, it can come further down. Okay, now it is trading at around $2015.94. Okay, now a probability is very high that suppose if the price didn't sustain, it can move again in this particular zone, and a low of that particular zone is from, you can say, from 2-3 weeks at a level of around $1976, which is a weak support. So chances are very high if the price comes close to this level, it can fall further down. Okay, so suppose if the price move below this particular level, a probability of going further down will be there, but if it sustain above a level of 2035, then we can see yes, it can try to go upside, and if it sustain above a level of 2049, then we can see yes, it can touch again its particular high, and a probability if it sustain, then we can see it can go further upside. Before we move ahead and explain you where the price of gold can move in the next week, if you have any doubt, you can mail me at stockmarkettradinglab@gmail.com, and one more mail ID in the description. Please watch the full video so you understand how this technical work, and a Telegram link I've given in the description. You can join that too. See, now let's look at the particular support and resistance, how it will sustain. See, now it is forming two green candles from 2 weeks, so chances can be high if this level sustain, because the next support coming at around $2010. Okay, so suppose if this level sustain, it can go further upside and can touch a level of around $2045. Okay, and this $2045 is coming after a level of 2031. So once it sustain above a level of 2031, chances of touching 2041 is there, and once it sustain above this level, chances of going further upside will be there. That once it sustain above 2031, because the next resistance coming at this level on a weekly basis chart, and once it sustain this level, then we can see a level of 2041 to a level of $2048. Okay, $2048. Okay, and if the price sustain above this level, it can go further high, and a probability is that it can cross a level of 2053. Again, I repeat that if once the price sustain above a level of 2031, probability of going further upside is there, because a level of 2050 is already a weak resistance, so chances are very high it can go further high, and a probability of touching 2072 is there, and it can cross that particular zone and can go further high. Okay, because there is a zone which is already a weak resistance at a level of 2072, and it has already made a high around $2083, so chances will be high it can go further upside. Okay, but see, market will not move sharp upside as well as sharp fall, because till the time there is no big event is coming. Okay, how it moves, it will hold for some time, then it will go upside. In the same way, it will hold for some time, then it will come down. Okay, this is how it moves. Suppose if the price didn't sustain this particular level, what we can see, it can go towards a level of $2013. Okay, and if that level move further down, then we can see it can go further low towards a level of $2007. Okay, and if the price fall below that particular zone, then we can see it can go further down towards a level of $1997. Okay, and if the price fall below that particular zone, chances are very high it can touch a level of around $1981. If the price fall below that particular level, then we can see it can go further low, and a probability is that we can see it can touch a level of $1973. Okay, now once the price fall below that particular level, it can go further low, and a probability is that it can touch a level of around $1968 to a level of $1960. Okay, after 1968 it can touch a level of $1960. Okay, if the price fall below that level, then we can see it can go further low. So if there is a breakout, then only we can see it can go further low. So 1960 is a strong support, so we can see a bounce back. But if this level didn't sustain, it can go further low, and a probability of touching 1947 will be there to a level of 1937. If the price fall below this level, then we can see it can move further down. If the price fall below 1937, I'll make another video explaining you where it can go. Okay, and you have to understand there is a pattern forming. It is moving in an uptrend. Till the time it is sustaining this level, we will not say that it is not going on the upper side. But once it moves below this particular level of 1973, and if it moves below a level of 1960, then chances are very high it can fall further and can go towards 1934 to a level of 1920, and from there we can see a level of 1891, and then further low if the price didn't sustain. Any doubt regarding this, you can mail me. I've given the mail IDs also in the description. Okay, so hope you like the video, and if you like the video, please give a thumbs up, and if new to my channel, please subscribe it. Thank you.